so skinny. Because this was my first time I've been pregnant. And I just got pregnant.
Me too. That's just the position.
Making him kick. Are you laughing? That tickles. And it hurts for the baby.
Oh, his mouth was open. Was his mouth open just now?
Yeah, he's stretching the yawn a little bit. Let's see, it's still distorted.
It looks like teeth. I know, but it looks like it's his gums.
Like he's smiling for you.